Welcome. This video explores charging connectors and power delivery. We will cover every major standard, from universal USB-C to EV fast charging, so you can choose the right charger and get the fastest possible charge. We are looking at power delivery for every device. This guide covers USB-C, USB-A, Lightning, wireless, fast charging, and EV levels. I am a technical expert and visual designer. USB-C is the universal standard. Its oval, reversible shape means there's no wrong way to plug it in. It offers up to 40 gigabits per second speed and can deliver up to 240 watts of power via USB power delivery, supporting laptops, phones, and video. USB-A is the classic rectangular connector. It is flat and requires one correct orientation. While a legacy standard still on billions of devices, its standard power is only 4.5 watts. A USB-A to USB-C adapter can help with compatibility. Lightning is Apple's proprietary connector, used on older iPhones and AirPods. It is reversible, but uses slower USB 2.0 speeds and is not designed for video. Starting with the iPhone 15, Apple replaced Lightning with USB-C due to EU regulation. Wireless or inductive charging uses magnetic fields with no cable needed. The charger pad creates an alternating current and changing magnetic field, which induces a current in the device's coil, charging the battery. Qi is the universal standard. Power banks provide portable energy. Capacity is in milliamp hours, or mAh. A 10,000 milliamp hours bank typically gives 2 to 3 phone charges. For air travel, note the 100 watt-hours max carry-on limit. Always look for USB-C PD input/output for fastest recharging. Fast charging protocols negotiate higher voltage and current. USB power delivery, or PD, is the open standard. Delivering up to 240 W Qualcomm Quick Charge is common on Android phones. Always use chargers from reputable brands to ensure safety. EV charging has 3 tiers. Level 1 uses a standard wall outlet, adding about 5 miles of range per hour. Level 2 requires a 240-volt circuit, adding 10 to 60 miles per hour. DC fast charging is ultra-fast for road trips, adding 100+ miles in minutes. To summarize, USB-C with up to 240 W is future-proof. USB-A is legacy, but still widely used. Lightning is being replaced by USB-C. Wireless charging uses Qi standards. Choose USB-C PD power banks, and remember that fast charging requires matching protocols. USB-C and USB PD are the future for consumer devices. For EVs, install Level 2 at home for daily use and rely on DC fast charging for road trips. Thank you for viewing this video.